हेलो हेलो नमस्कार। मेरा नाम है आरजे राज। आप देख रहे हैं 1991 एपिसोड ऑफ नागपुर मोस्ट हैपनिंग फेसबुक लाइव शो का नाम राज की बात विमेन ऑफ द ईयर के साथ पारिक ब्रदर जूलर्स का धन्यवाद। पारिक जूलर ब्रदर जूलर प्रेजेंट्स राज की बात विमेन ऑफ द ईयर इन एसोसिएशन विद Pehnava Boutique. Thank you Stylex Kitchens and Wardrobes. Thank you We Herbs. A big thank you to UDS, and can't forget to thank Nagpur Ka Hospital, Orange City Hospital, and Anjani Exotica Mehan. With me is a psychotherapist working for past 15 years now, is all set, excited to launch her new book in this coming week, and the most importantly, one of the ladies, one of the women to whom I look upon, and she is an inspiration to me. Please welcome Dr. Naz Chimthanwala. People also call her Nazneen Chimthanwala. Hi ma'am, how are you?
Fine, thank you. Thank you for having me here.
मैम सबसे पहले तो ये कि जब where are you from? I mean, where are you born? What's your story? कहाँ से हैं आप?
Bombay. I've been born and brought up in Bombay. I got married here and have been here since. I hip hop, but I'm here mostly.
मैम जब जिस परिवार में जन्म हुआ उस परिवार में डॉक्टर्स थे, क्या काउंसलर्स थे, साइकोथेरेपी होती थी वहाँ पे?
Not really. My father was an oil technologist, and my brothers were all into science. So I also did science, and I did my catering technology at Kettle Road Institute. And then got married. So psychology came later.
So शादी करके आप कौन से साल में नागपुर आई? 86। नागपुर कैसा था तब?
Simpler than what it is now. But the home that I was married into, we lived in a big compound, so the outside world was pretty much non-existent or not much required to go into or delve into. We were happy where we were, and I was very busy. I worked a lot, and I was a happy homemaker.
मैम जिंदगी कब बदली?
When my husband transited to another phase, he passed over. That was, and I was young. I had 4 kids. I have 4 kids, and at that time they were 14, 13, 8 and 7.
Oh my God.
Yeah. So then.
मैम 4 बच्चों की जिम्मेदारियां, उस समय किसी ने आपसे आके ये नहीं कहा कि आप फिर से विवाह कर सकती हैं, फिर से शादी कर सकती हैं?
It was not about at that time, but later on, I would have if I got somebody of my caliber. But nobody matched up.
तो मैम फिर क्या किया आपने? मतलब फिर अपनी जिंदगी को किस राह पे ले गई?
I studied. I went into psychology. It always fascinated me. The human. I love people. I basically love people, and I love the human mind. I find it has so many layers and so many dimensions, and there's so much going on. Every person that you meet, and you look at the eyes, and there's a curtain, and there's a curtain, and there's a curtain. So to unravel it all, and to help them come to me and trust me with their innermost feelings in complete confidentiality, and then I do mentor them.
लेकिन मैम जिस तरह से वक्त के साथ स्ट्रेस, एंजाइटी, कॉम्प्लिकेशंस इन रिलेशनशिप्स में भी रिलेशनशिप में कॉम्प्लिकेशंस जिस तरह से बढ़ रहे हैं, मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज बढ़ रहे हैं, क्या आपको ऐसा लगता है कि अब जैसे यूरोप, जैसे अमेरिका जैसे देशों में काउंसलर और एक साइकोथेरेपिस्ट की एक बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है, जहाँ पर वो the person is there, one shoulder, one person is there to hear you out? क्या आने वाले दिनों में हम भारत में भी इसको बढ़ता हुआ देखेंगे?
Already बढ़ रहा है. And we have a lot of issues that are simply not addressed. See, they address them there, so it seems very large. We have a lot of unaddressed issues, suppressions, repressions, especially women who don't talk or feel that they can't, or even men, because of the social structure, they feel that they've got to be strong, they can't cry. Women feel that घर की बात बाहर कैसे बोले.
जी.
All of those things do not promote healthy emotional well-being. And when you do not have emotional well-being, you are going to get affected physically. So it's tricky. But I have, that's one of the reasons that I have started my own course, postgraduate diploma in counseling and life coaching skills, where I train people at the level that they would get a type of education that they might get in Oxford. And it's a wonderful course, even though I say it so, because I get them ready to practice. Understanding that at least within a community of 50 families, if there is one counselor and a life coach, where everybody can go to a neutral person, a non-judgmental person, who understands the dynamics of a person's mind and the family that that person comes from, can go a lot towards building bonds. So, building healthy bonds, not those kind of bonds that appear like chains, but bonds that can free you into better, happier, healthier relationships, where communication is much more easy. It's possible. It's just that we hold ourselves back constantly. And I have trained around 86 counselors and life coaches to date. And there are another 8 that will be read after the exams in a month or so.
और मैम ये कोर्स कितना बड़ा होता है?
It's a 7-month course.
And what is the classes का जो tenure होता है वो कैसे होता है?
So it is twice a week. It is 1.5 hour each class. That is 3 hours a week. I have 2 batches. One is 7:30 to 9 in the morning, and one is 2 to 3:30 in the afternoon. You can join either batch, and a video recording is sent to you no matter what. So, and if you have yet any other questions or any particular understanding issue, I take and I teach you one-on-one. I'm the primary tutor, primary mentor. I do have 2 assistant teachers, but it's my baby and I take full responsibility for it. And I love teaching.
And मैम इसका जो सर्टिफिकेशन होता है उसकी क्या वैल्यू है?
So my Positive Wings Wellness Academy is affiliated, or it comes under the umbrella of Penta Oak Foundation for Education and Mental Health, which is a government registered body. So in India, that's the way we work.
मैम अपने काम को कितना एंजॉय करती है?
Amazing. I love my profession. I love people. I love my profession. It gives me the impetus to get up each morning to work, and I write. I love writing. So yes.
मैम अपने बच्चों के बारे में बताइए.
Well, I'm grateful that they chose me to be their mom. I'll put it very, very simply. My eldest is a very advanced pranic healer. My second one is a neurophysiotherapist specializing in geriatric care. My third one is a PhD scholar with Institute of Chemical Technology in Mumbai. She's also a professor of pharmacology. And my youngest is a clinical psychologist with art therapy as her main focus. She's doing it from MIT Pune. So yeah, they're all wonderful young women. And as I said, I'm very, very grateful that they chose me to be their mom.
And मैम सबसे ज़्यादा बड़ा करने में किसको डिफिकल्टी गई?
Not really. I think sometimes it is bringing up mom rather than bringing up kids.
मैम आपने अपने बच्चों से क्या सीखा?
एडवाइस तो दिन भर की चलती रहती है. इट्स लाइक आई एम कॉन्स्टेंटली बीइंग ट्यूटर्ड बाय देम. बट या एज अ यूनिट वी आर गुड. शुक्र है, वी आर फाइन. We bond well, and होता है the normals, the little, oh come on, don't start again on me, and oh there you go again, or you repeated it all one more time. Or sometimes even I've talked to one daughter and I repeat it to her again when I have to actually tell the other one. So yeah, goof ups and faux pas are very very common.
क्या एक हादसा किसी की जिंदगी को बदल देता है? क्या किसी हादसे ने आपकी जिंदगी को बदला?
हादसे तो होते हैं, बदलना आप पे है. You have to take the choices to change and move and grow and not get stagnant. ऐसा नहीं है कि I mean everybody faces they have particular form of hardships in life. So it's not, I'm not unique. It happens to everyone. But what do you do with what you have, and how do you move from where you? I mean, as I would say, tell my children, move your butt, walk your body, walk your mind, and get going.
मैम, लेखन के साथ जो आपका रिश्ता, आपने कहा कि पुराना है, तो ये वक्त के साथ कैसे डेवलप हुआ है और किस दिशा में जा रहा है?
Writing?
जी.
So I have always been a reader, and I started writing also after my husband. So I used to write letters before. We've always been, me and my husband used to communicate via letters. So I used to write, but I mean those letters were nothing but it was personal.
जी.
But later I realized that writing was a good medium for me to express myself.
जी.
And I can write about practically anything. I could write about a fridge. I could write about the lovely frame that you own, or the hairstyle that you have, or just happy writings. I can write.
तो किताब के साथ फिर कैसे अपने आप को जोड़ा?
So as वो क्या हुआ कि in the COVID times I was at home. And I realized.
And so was everybody.
So was everybody. And I must say that I love my home. It's beautiful.
Yes.
It's colorful.
Yes, and it has a lot of books.
I have a lot of books, and I have a lot of knickknacks, and you've been there.
Yeah, I've been there.
So I just started saying that let me find the joy in the ordinary things. So I started, and I have a fancy phone, but I started taking pictures of things.
Right.
I wrote something about it. So I started little writing, and it got very popular.
Right.
And then I made it more formal. I took a picture, I wrote, I added a poetry to it. And yes, today I have a book ready. And it's an absolutely beautiful book. Something that I would love to receive as a gift, and something I would like to give as a gift. And my standards are high.
Would you like to talk about the book a little more?
Let people buy it and read it. I think that would be a better way of appreciating and acknowledging words.
What's the name of the book?
Echoes of Joy.
Echoes of Joy. मैम, जब इस किस्म की सिचुएशंस आती हैं जीवन में, मैं अब या आपको एज अ साइकोथेरेपिस्ट या एज अ रिलेशनशिप काउंसलर आपसे ये सवाल पूछ रहा हूँ. मैम, इस किस्म की जब सिचुएशन आती है, जब एक महिला तनाव से गुजरती है, वो तनाव होता है जब वो एक बच्चे को जन्म नहीं दे पाते, और सब जो भी गायनिक इश्यूज हैं वो सब को ध्यान में रखते हुए वो बच्चे को जन्म नहीं दे पाते. एक ऐसी महिला है जो अपने डिवोर्स के लिए रोज कोर्ट जाती है. एक ऐसी महिला जिसे बस कुछ दिन पहले उसके पति ने उसका साथ छोड़ दिया और वो वीर गति को प्राप्त हो गया, मतलब वो नहीं रहा. मैम, जब भी महिलाएं इस ऐसी सिचुएशंस में आए जब उन्हें अपनी स्ट्रेंथ का इस्तेमाल करना पड़े, तो उन्हें किन बातों का ध्यान रखना चाहिए?
So let me also add here that it's not easy for men either. It's that we just assume it is, but we as humans are emotional beings.
जी.
Women are not used to asking for what they want.
जी.
They are not used to recognizing what their actual needs are. They do many a time live through a life of suppressions, repressions, or being right, being good. And a lot of our Hindi films have also given us a very, very holier than thou picture of a woman, that उसको बहुत बड़ा बना दिया है.
हाँ.
We are just all
नारी अबला नहीं है, मतलब आप ये कहना चाहते हैं?
अबला भी नहीं है और कोई लेबल लगाना ही जरूरी नहीं है. सबको अपनी अपनी जिंदगी बेहतरीन तरीके से जीनी है, because each life from the womb to the tomb is single.
Absolutely.
So you've got to do the best you can and leave the place a little better than what you found it. And find that strength. You have it in you. Find anything to do. Sell samosas if you have to. But have fun. Have fun. Laugh. Inculcate a sense of humor. Dress up well. Do what makes you feel better. It could be reading a book. It could be going for a walk. It could be joining meetings, meetups, making friends. The main problem, in the way I see it, and it's a very, very important issue that I would like to raise here, is that every parent should teach their children, especially the girls, to be financially independent. This is the bottom line, because finances gives you freedom, it gives you choice, it gives you empowerment. So it's very often says that money doesn't buy you happiness.
Right.
Poverty doesn't buy you either.
So true.
Every woman should be financially independent. The minute your daughter is born, make a bank account for her. See that by the time she gets married, she's got a profession where she's standing on her own 2 feet. Teach her basic financial acumen, so that she's not dependent. So then when she has a choice, she's more likely to perform better at home, at her duties, and juggle other things. When you don't have financial freedom, a big chunk of your choice is taken away from you.
Right.
So then the suffering increases.
Ma'am,
and I'm grateful to my father for that. And my parents actually. My mummy and my father were very, very insistent that I educate myself.
Ma'am, what's your me time?
People actually. I love being with people. And I'm equally lazy. I just like sitting on a recliner and reading and doing nothing. I love eating chaat and pani puri.
Arey वाह वाह. So who's your chat partner?
Nobody.
Nobody.
Partner का क्या है? Chaat is.
No, but none of your daughters accompany you when it comes to.
When I'm with them.
Yeah.
When we are in the same city, where we all travel a lot. So if I'm in the same city with them, then it's okay. Otherwise, I mean, if not having a partner, I would not give up my charter.
Oh.
So
I love this. I love this line.
In Dubai also, I have my chart properly.
मैम अब क्या आगे क्या क्या चीजें हैं बकेट लिस्ट में, क्या क्या करना है?
बहुत सारा, बहुत सारा. So I'm in Dubai at present, completing my double master's honors in applied psychology, because शौक था चले गए one more additional skill. I want to start my a kind of a center where a Positive Wings Wellness Center where people come on a regular basis. Line लगनी चाहिए. With pride कि we are going here to just talk, to feel better. I want people to recognize and be proud to come to me. That would be one. I also want to start two schools, like a residential summer school and a winter school, say 8 days each or 10 days each, for psychology students, where we do everything together and teach them what the actual meaning of the word psyche means, and how you can have love for the psyche, and how you can understand that it's one of the basic to everything. Everything is psychology.
मैम, ये मेरा आखिरी सवाल होगा आपसे। जिंदगी की सुनहरी किताब लिखी गई, डॉक्टर नाज चिमथनवाला ये नाम लिखा गया, उसके नीचे कौन सी ऐसी लाइन, कौन सा ऐसा कोट, कौन सी ऐसी बात लिखी रहनी चाहिए जिसे पढ़ने के बाद लोग आपको हमेशा याद करें?
That's a tough one. I can't think of any one line, but there's something that I read long ago from the Auguries of Innocence, which says that within me, in spite of all, I may be getting the sequence wrong, but in spite of many, many winters, within me there is an invincible summer, which happily springs to spring.
मैम, उम्मीद है कि आप ऐसे ही रिक्लाइनर में आराम से, है ना, अपना वो समय हमेशा बिताएं और लोगों से बात करके लोगों की जिंदगियों में वो दर्द, छोटा सा दर्द जो आता है उसे कम करने की कोशिश करें।
That is my wish.
है ना, आपकी जो किताब है एकोज ऑफ जॉय, वो एको करते रहे, लोगों की ज़िंदगी में जॉय भरते रहे, और उम्मीद है कि वो एक बेस्ट सेलर किताब बने और लोग उससे इंस्पायर हों, जिससे आपके इंटरव्यू से अब हज़ारों लोग इसे देखकर इंस्पायर होंगे। आपने अपना वक्त दिया, आपने हमसे बात करी, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। थैंक यू सो मच। सुपर। डॉक्टर नाज चिमथनवाला से मैं तकरीबन 1.5 साल पहले मिला था। 1.5 साल से हमारा इंटरव्यू पेंडिंग था। आज जो वो इंटरव्यू जो पेंडिंग था वो पूरा हुआ। खुशी की बात यह है कि मेरे इन 2000 एपिसोड में डॉक्टर नाज चिमथनवाला भी उन्होंने भी शिरकत की। एक बात जो वाइल आई वाज टॉकिंग टू हर एंड मैं उनके घर भी गया हूँ, बड़ा खूबसूरत घर है उनका। अलग अलग कमरों में इतनी सारी किताबें हैं कि वो किताबें आपसे कहती हैं कि असल ज़िंदगी यही है। और सोचिए किस किस्म की एक पूरी की पूरी सिचुएशन बनती है जब आप अपने जीवन में किसी एक चीज़ में पूरे मस्त हैं, पूरे डेडिकेटेड हैं, डिवोटेड हैं, पूरे फोकस्ड हैं, और आप वो पूरा टाइम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, और सडनली उस पर एक फुल स्टॉप तो नहीं पर एक कॉमा आ जाता है और आपकी जिंदगी में एक बहुत बड़ा बदलाव आता है। और उस बदलाव के बाद आप अपने जीवन के साथ साथ अपने साथ जुड़े हुए भी लोगों की जिंदगियों को बदलने की कोशिश में लग जाते हैं। और फिर एक समय आता है जब आप सभी लोगों को जो आपसे जुड़े हुए हैं, जिनकी जिम्मेदारी आप पर थी, वो एक खूबसूरत मुकाम पर पहुंच चुके हैं और उस बात पे आपको गर्व है। ऐसे इंसान को, ऐसे व्यक्ति विशेष को आप क्या कहेंगे? शायद यही कहेंगे कि आई एम प्राउड ऑफ यू, है ना। और अगर उसको हम भाषा में, एक अलग भाषा में ट्रांसलेट करें, हिंदी में करें, उर्दू में करें, तो हिंदी में तो हम यही करेंगे कि हमें आप पे नाज है, हमें आप पे गर्व है। डॉक्टर नाज चिमथनवाला भी वही हैं जिनसे आप जब मिलेंगे और उनकी पूरी कहानी जो इतनी इंस्पायरिंग है, जब आप जानेंगे तो शायद आप भी उनसे यही कहेंगे कि मैडम नाज, हमको आप पे नाज है। दुनिया में लेके आए हैं क्या, ये सवाल नहीं है। दुनिया से लेके जाएंगे क्या, ये सवाल नहीं है। सवाल ये है कि जब जाएंगे तो तुमको याद आएंगे क्या। करें कुछ ऐसा काम कि दुनिया ले आपका नाम। आपसे फिर होगी मुलाकात दिन रात की बात। तब तक अपना ध्यान रखें, सुरक्षित रहें, स्वच्छ रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें, खुश रहें, व्यस्त रहें। डॉक्टर नाज चिमथनवाला का इंटरव्यू उन सभी महिलाओं तक पहुंचाए जिन्हें आप इंस्पायर करना चाहते हैं, जिन्हें आप बस ये बताना चाहते हैं कि अगर जिंदगी में कभी ऐसे मुकाम पर आप आए कि आपको ये दिखे कि जिंदगी खत्म होने जा रही है, तो डॉक्टर नाज चिमथनवाला का इंटरव्यू देखिएगा, आपको एक नई राह मिल जाएगी। जिंदा रहें। जय हिंद।